Why should you care about solar panel efficiency? Efficiency is a major factor you should pay attention to as you're thinking about going solar. The efficiency rating of a solar panel tells you how well it converts sunlight into usable electricity. Most panels have an efficiency rating between 15 and 22%. High-efficiency solar panels tend to be more expensive, but sometimes it's worth paying extra for panels that produce more electricity. If you have limited roof space and are struggling to cover all of your electricity bill with solar, then using high-efficiency panels can increase your long-term savings. Even if you do have the roof space, but prefer to install as few panels as possible, installing higher efficiency panels can be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you have plenty of space to install a solar panel system, whether it's on your roof or on the ground, standard solar panels are going to get the job done and cost less upfront. Getting multiple solar quotes on Energy Sage can help you find the right combination of efficiency and price for your home or business. Energy Sage. Smarter energy decisions.